Hey y'all, welcome to a Nails by Nana YouTube video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you can be alerted when I post a new video. On today's video, guys, I know you see this nice little box here. And today, guess what we are going to be doing? Drum roll, please. We're going to be doing a collaboration / partnership with Rosalind. Okay, if I'm saying this wrong, I apologize, y'all. It is Rosalind. Like I didn't go to English school. Rosalind. Yes, Rosalind. Rosalind. It's gel polish kit, y'all. And I'm very excited that I got this. We were collabing back and forth in the emails about, you know, just doing collaborations and partnerships. And I'm really hesitant when it comes to those because it's good for exposure. But then also it's kind of like you got to keep up with the content. You got to make sure that it meets the expectations of the collaborators. So that's the only thing that I can really just say when it comes to collaborations. But nevertheless, we're going to get started on today's video. I am going to be doing a gel design set with this. I only took off the clear wrapping. I did not go inside of the polish yet. Okay, let me stop lying. I did go inside of the polish, y'all, but it was only to see if it would do good on my gel tips that I just bought for my press-ons. And y'all stay tuned because the press-ons will be coming. So I just tried to see if it was going to like stick to it or if I needed to prep the nail and it sticks. So I'm not going to be prepping the gel nail at all. So let's open the box. Thank you once again, Rosalind, for sending me this PR package, collab package, or whatever you want to call it. So we're going to pull out everything. It does come with 6 colors, okay? It comes with 6 colors. Right now, you're not going to be able to see the colors because the colors are on the top of the lid. The only thing that I want to say, starting off, because this is going to be an honest review. I don't play around with the reviews, y'all. Y'all know me well. If y'all don't, go look at some of my old track records when it comes to BR packages and all of that. But for this particular one, I'm going to say I like the texture of the bottles. The only thing is that they don't have base coat and top coat in here. It's just strictly gel polishes. On the email, when I went to look for further investigation, it did only say something about gel polishes. But Rosalind, it would be nice if y'all include a base and a top coat along with a little mini LED lamp. Because if they're going to have to sit this under the LED lamp, you want to make sure that if they don't use gel polishes, which is 2023, everybody use gel polishes. But if they don't use gel polishes, that they have a outlet. You know what I mean? That's the only two nicks so far that I have. The description for the link is going to be in my bio. Also, all of my audiences do receive 10% off. After this video is done, there might be a little bit more of the percentages off, but I'm going to put all of the details in the description. So let's get to it. So we're going to take out this first one. This first one is going to be C464. And I am going to swatch them on a swatch stick. And then after that, we're going to get into the nail set for today. So right here is going to be C470. This one is going to be C472. And like I said, the colors are going to be on top of the lid. And you'll see the definition of the color when I put it on the swatch stick. This one is going to be C471. And I'm going to give my honest review, Rosalind. So y'all better, it's going to be number honesty here, child. This one is going to be C467, and it's giving like a pink feel to it, which I love me some pink. That's my favorite color. And then this last one is going to be C463. So now that we got everything out of the box, I'm going to remove this little container. And like I said, I lied to y'all. Y'all see that little paint right there? I'm sorry. At least I went back and told the truth, okay? I told the truthfuses. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to pull out the swatch sticks and I'm going to go into depth about each one. All right. So we're going to do C464. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my YouTube channel, y'all. I'm the best. Okay. When it comes to my stuff, what's that little Instagram thing that was on Instagram? When it comes to my business, I am the best. I am the best. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about. If y'all know what I'm talking about, put it in the comments. But it was on Instagram. It was a trending sound on Instagram. So let's get into the first one, okay? I'm going to start from the top. Start it from the bottom. All right, I'm going to do 2 swatches, okay? I'm going to do 2 coats because I don't think you can see the real definition of the coat unless I do 2 because the swatch stick is clear. So I'm going to sit this under the dryer for a little bit. After I sit it under the dryer, I'm going to do my second one, all right? And be back. Okay, y'all, so this is the second coat of C464. It's giving, like, I don't know if it's looking a little bit pale on camera, but I think it's giving the coat that it's giving. So we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, so the next one is gonna be C470, and like I said, I will be applying these. I will be doing a set too, so stay to the end of the video. Stay to the end of the video. Also, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend and tell a friend about my YouTube channel. And then also, y'all, interact with each other in the comment sections, or if you just want to interact with me, or if you want to interact with yourself, child. I talk to myself all the time, but the only thing that you need to make sure that you don't do is answer yourself, okay? When you answer yourself, that's when it become a little strange, okay? But yeah, like I said, y'all, if y'all have any questions or concerns or anything that y'all want to know, leave it in the comment section. And to be honest, I feel like so far I'm liking these colors. I'm just gonna be honest. The first one is not gonna be one that I use for the design right now. But so far I'm liking them. So we're gonna do a second coat for this one. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So this is the second coat of this is the second coat of C470. I'm sorry, y'all. I be in my own head laughing, and my best friend got me up here cackling. But yeah, that's the second one. So the next video is going to be C472. One day I'm going to let y'all meet my best friend, because this girl is funny. Like, girl, we be on the phone all day, 24/7, child. This girl is hilarious. She is funny. But y'all, so far I don't got no complaints. Like these, I like these polishes. I'm going to really be using these. And I got like I said, I got a press-on collection coming soon, y'all. I'm going to be using these. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's going to be a worldwide thing. The only thing I'm not going to be doing is shipping to United Kingdom and stuff like that. Because I heard international shipping is expensive. And I don't got money like that just to be throwing away. All right, y'all. I'll be back after the second coat. This one giving a lavender feel so far. Or opaque lavender. But I'll be back. All right, y'all. So now we're back with the second coat. This is going to be C472. It's going to be C471. And this one looked like a nude color. These are all gel polishes, by the way, if you guys want reconfirmation. Like I said, everything is going to be in the description box below. And as you know, I'm doing a little more talking than usual. Normally, I just let music play most times after I introduce myself. But today, your girl got to give y'all the details, because I don't want y'all out here shopping for gel polishes that are, you know, not up to your liking, right? But so far so good, y'all. Y'all can trust my word. I'm feeling like this company is legit when it comes to their gel polishes. Now, when I add the top coat and do the design and everything, I'm gonna give y'all an honest review on that too. But what I'm gonna do, put it in the thing for a second coat, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, I'm back with the second coat. This one I like the way this one look too, y'all. I have a lot of choices to choose from. Hey, y'all, so this one is going to be a color that I thought I recorded, but I didn't. I'm so sorry, y'all. This is going to be C467. If you're a nail tech, you should invest in swatches. Do this last little coat, and then we done. And then I'm going to put all of the colors to the side. And then we're going to see which one we're going to be doing a nail set with. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my YouTube channel, y'all. Support and hitting that like button goes a long way. So what I'm going to do is do my double coat of this one. And after that second double coat, I'm going to put all of the swatches together so y'all can let me know which one y'all think is going to be the lucky winner. All right, y'all. So I am now back with all of the swatches. Rosalind, you doing the doggone thing. And I like every single gel color that I received. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And viewers, don't forget, this website or this company is orchestrated on Amazon. They do have their social media links. I'm going to put that below as well. You guys can get 10% off of these gel polishes. 6 come in a pack. They don't come with a top coat or a base coat, nor does it come with a UV LED lamp. However, I'm not sure if this is the only, I know this is not the only polishes that they sell on Amazon, but you never know. Go explore their page in the description and see what you like and see what you can come across and see what catches your eye, if anything catches your eye. And if it does, don't forget to use the code below for 10% off. So the color that I think I want to use is going to be this light pink. All right, y'all, so I'm back now. I have applied the tips. These are going to be some Gel X tips. I've applied them with a little sticky tab because we're going to take these right off after I complete them. But I did want to get this content out, y'all. So we're going to take out our C467 and we're going to begin. So, y'all, so far, are y'all enjoying the video? Give me a thumbs up if you are. If you're not, you can be a player hater too. Hey, I take all love. Hating is love to me. Okay. So, I'm going to wipe up these little crevices. And I think this is going to be like a cute, classy color for me. And you might see a little opening right here, but that's okay. We're just going to disregard that because, like I said, these are attached to sticky tabs. So, going to go ahead and put this coat on there. We're going to do 2 coats, by the way, y'all. I like to do 2 coats with my gel polish just to ensure that it gives that color, that pop that I like when it comes to my nails, okay? I got to have the pop. And when you go to the nail salon, most times they do a double coat. They don't just do 1 coat. It just makes it look like it's finished when you do that 2nd coat and you're using gel polishes or any polishes for that matter. So gonna keep keeping on, 'cause you can't make me change my world. That's a little escape for y'all, for the youngins. If y'all don't know nothing about escape, that's escape. You see how quick this is, y'all? Like, you can never go wrong with gel polishes. Rosalind, I am recommending this gel polish brand wholeheartedly. And I'm not just recommending it because, you know, we're doing a partnership at the moment. I'm recommending it because these are going to actually be some colors that I order from. Like, I'm going to order me some more outside of the video because I just like the way they look, to be honest. And I don't have a problem with the way that they apply. I like the way that they apply. I like how they look with the 2nd coat. Like I said, the only cons is that the set that I received did not have a base coat. It did not have a gel top coat. And it did not come with a UVD lamp. But luckily, I have my own. So, I'm going to sit this under the nail lamp and I'll be right back. Of them, I was going to throw a little bling on here, like a little bit charms and stuff like that. But these nails is so cute and the color is so cute. I don't feel like it needs it. Like, this the type of look you just go out with on a Sunday brunch and just call it a day. You don't need to do all the extra when it comes to these. Like, this is like a cute pink. I'm actually going to make me a nail press on set that look just like this one. Because I like this color. Actually, you know what I'm going to do, y'all? I'm going to keep this. I'm going to take them tabs off and I'm going to keep this as a press on set. How about it? But you see the color now with the pink on top? It looks kind of more reflective. I'm liking it. So after this one, I'm going to put a top coat on it. And then I'm going to come back with the final results, y'all. And y'all tell me what y'all think about it in the comment section below. So let's finish putting this on. And I'm going to say it once again. I don't care how much I get tired of it. Rosalind, y'all doing the doggone thing. Very, very pretty. I get so high when I'm around. You're making me high. Baby, 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 baby. People don't want. I got to get the people what they want, which is me. Got 99 problems and the biggest one is me. I'm going to put this under the lamp and I'll be back.